This is a fidget spinner. These things are ridiculously popular right now, and a lot of videos about them are being made, but to my knowledge, nobody's made a video microwaving one yet. Until now. Of course I'll be microwaving it while it's spinning. Looks like this hot trend got a little too hot. Time to cool down the hype a little. Viral video smoke. Don't breathe this. There's very little left of the fidget spinner. Glued to the plate, so I'm going to have to remove the whole plate to examine it. And that's what's left of it. I thought this would be really lame, but turned out to be awesome. This was one of my most requested items this year, and I'm glad I took your suggestion. Now, as to whether or not you should put one of these in a microwave, Absolutely not. They're pretty cool and fun to play with, and it could burn up your microwave. This is a really horrible idea. It's very dangerous to try this at home.